Charlotte, North Carolina. It's that time again. CIAA. And there's only one spot to be at. Club Live in Charlotte. Live. Trinidad James. And Meek Mills. Friday, March 1st, we will shut the building down with music provided by DJ Kool. Then back at it. Saturday, it's the big event with Chris Brown and Rick Ross. Also putting it down on stage is LUV, aka Flu Season.
Niggas hate, so I'll be mad at them straight from the top.
Saturday, March 2nd at Club Live with music provided by DJ Kool and DJ Envy. Club Live is the only spot to be at for CIAA weekend, so make sure you get out there. 817 Hampton Street, Charlotte, North Carolina, inside North Cats Music Factory. If you need tickets, log on to easy-tix.com or call 877-993-8499. Club Live is the only spot to be at.